Welcome to your Thursday weather forecast. On Thursday morning, an onshore flow of air will bring cloud conditions and light showers to the eastern escarpment. Then a sunny afternoon over the central and western parts of the country, where we are expecting no rain this Thursday. It's only here over parts of KwaZulu-Natal and Mpumalanga, where we are expecting light showers with a chance of a quick drizzle around the eastern escarpment in Limpopo. In these areas, we are expecting a very poor PV harvest due to the cloud conditions, but an average to excellent PV harvest over the central and western parts of the country. Westerly to southwesterly winds still blowing strong around the eastern coast on Thursday morning. We still have weather warnings in place for damaging winds and waves, including an orange level 6 warning for damaging winds and waves between Cape Agulhas and Port Edward. Damaging winds and waves also possible between Port Edward and Richards Bay, with a yellow level 4 warning in place and a yellow level 3 warning in place between Alexander Bay and Cape Agulhas for damaging waves, so please be careful. On Thursday afternoon, we are expecting northerly to northwesterly winds to pick up and blow fresh over the western interior, and then into Thursday afternoon, northeasterly winds picking up and blowing around the eastern coast. In the Western Cape, a cold morning at first, minimum temperatures around 0 degrees Celsius over the interior with frost in places, -1 the morning in Robertson, 0 in Laingsburg, later a sunny afternoon and temperatures above 20 over the interior, and BERGWIND conditions warming up the western coast with temperatures around 30. But remaining cool around the southern coast, only 18 in the afternoon in George, 19 in Plettenberg Bay, cold at first in the Karoo, later a sunny afternoon, temperatures above 20 but northwesterly winds blowing fresh. Temperatures above 20 over the interior of the Eastern Cape, still a bit windy around the escarpment and windy conditions in the morning around the eastern coast, temperatures still below 20 degrees Celsius in East London. In KwaZulu-Natal, a cold morning at first over the interior, partly cloudy skies over the northeastern areas with isolated light showers, temperatures only in the lower 20s. A cold morning at first over the Halfveld, later sunny skies and temperatures in the lower 20s, a bit cooler now in the Lowveld, temperatures in the mid-20s and a quick isolated shower possible. Partly cloudy skies in the Lowveld of Limpopo, temperatures in the mid-20s, but sunny skies and warming up in the Bushveld, 29 in the afternoon in Lephalale. In northwest, a cold morning at first with light frost in places, later a sunny and comfortable afternoon, temperatures in the mid-20s. In the Northern Cape, a freezing cold morning at first over the southern and eastern areas where light frost is possible, then BERGWIND conditions warming up the western coast, Alexander Bay reaching 31, temperatures above 20 over the central areas with northwesterly winds later blowing fresh. In the Free State, a cold morning at first with light frost in places, later a sunny afternoon and temperatures around 20 degrees Celsius, 22 the afternoon in Bloemfontein. A cold morning at first over the southern parts of Gauteng, a later comfortable afternoon, 22 in Johannesburg, 24 in Pretoria. Then on Friday, we are expecting dry conditions across the country, windy over the western interior and foggy conditions at first around Cape Town and Vredendal, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over most parts of the country except here over the extreme western areas. Then on Saturday, we are expecting the next cold front to arrive in the Western Cape, bringing light showers to the city of Cape Town. Also cooler conditions now over the southwestern parts of the country, but BERGWIND conditions now warming up KwaZulu-Natal, Pietermaritzburg reaching 33, temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the central and northeastern areas. Well, that's all from me. Enjoy your Thursday and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.